Welcome back to GoldenLucyCrafts. Today we are stitching up some sunshine. I'm going to show you how to crochet this cheerful Sun Applique, perfect for brightening up blankets, hats or bags. I will be using a 4.5mm hook and medium weight yarn today, but feel free to use whichever you have on hand. Let's begin. Start with a magic ring. Round 1. Chain 1. Make 6 single crochet stitches in magic ring. This pattern is worked in continuous rounds, where no join is made at the end of the round. We will use a stitch marker to mark first stitch of each round. Tighten your magic ring. Round 2. 2 single crochet in first stitch. Mark first stitch of the round with a stitch marker. Two single crochet in each stitch around. You should have a total of 12 single crochet stitches. Round 3. 2 single crochet in first stitch. Move stitch marker to first stitch of this round. One single crochet in the next stitch. Keep repeating this around. 2 single crochet in next stitch. One single crochet in next stitch. You should have a total of 18 single crochet stitches. Now we can remove stitch marker. Round 4. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Making first point, chain 5. Slip stitch in second chain from hook, slip stitch in next chain, single crochet in the next, half double crochet in next, skip one stitch of previous round and slip stitch in the next stitch. Second point, chain 5, slip stitch in second chain from hook, slip stitch in the next chain, single crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, skip one stitch of previous round and slip stitch in the next stitch. Make 7 more points. Here is our last point, chain 5, slip stitch in second chain from hook, slip stitch in next chain, single crochet in next, half double crochet in next, skip one stitch of previous round and slip stitch in first slip stitch at the beginning of this round. fasten off, secure a magic ring and weave in the ends. You can either leave your applique as is or add googly eyes or tiny sunglasses using a hot glue gun to attach them. To complete the look, embroider a smile. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed making this sun with me, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe for more crochet patterns. Don't forget to visit GoldenLucyCrafts.com for more patterns and ideas. See you in the next video and happy crocheting!